Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful drone with 4K or even 8K camera quality, GPS tracking, obstacle avoidance, and smart flight features without spending DJI level money, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. All of these drones offer impressive features like brushless motors, GPS positioning, FPV Wi-Fi transmission, and foldable designs, making them great options for beginners, hobbyists, and budget aerial photographers. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. AE5G Drone, 8K Night Vision Professional Camera. The AE5G GPS Drone is a feature-packed professional-style quadcopter designed for aerial photography enthusiasts. It comes with an 8K HD night vision camera, GPS positioning, brushless motors, and advanced laser obstacle avoidance. With a 5G Wi-Fi FPV system, foldable arms, and long-range control, this drone targets users who want premium features at a budget-friendly price. In real-world use, the AE5G MAX stands out for its stable flight performance and smooth video transmission. The GPS system helps with accurate positioning, return to home, and safer outdoor flying. The night vision capability adds extra versatility for low light conditions, while the brushless motors deliver better efficiency and durability. Obstacle avoidance works well for casual flying, especially for beginners who want extra protection. Pros: 8K HD camera with night vision, GPS positioning and return to home, brushless motors for smooth flight, laser obstacle avoidance, foldable and portable design. Cons: camera quality is not true 8K cinematic. App interface could be improved. Overall, the AE5G MAX is an excellent feature-rich drone for users who want advanced specs without paying a premium price. Number 2. K19MAX GPS Drone, 4K camera with LCD screen controller. Next up is the K19MAX GPS Drone, a unique quadcopter that includes a 4.5-inch LCD screen built directly into the remote controller. It features a 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, GPS positioning, and brushless motors. The built-in screen is a huge advantage because you don't need to rely on your smartphone for live video. This makes flying more convenient and reduces lag. The drone offers stable hovering thanks to GPS, and the FPV feed is smooth for real-time monitoring. It's a great option for users who want a plug-and-play drone experience. Pros: built-in LCD screen remote, 4K HD camera, GPS positioning for stable flight, brushless motors, easy to use for beginners. Cons: slightly heavier remote controller, limited advanced camera settings. The K19 MAX is perfect for users who want simplicity, stability, and convenience, especially first-time drone pilots. Number 3. Original GT8 Drone, 8K dual camera with obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and large screen remote controller. The original GT8 drone comes with an 8K dual camera system, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and a large display remote controller. It's designed for aerial photography and smooth flight control. The dual camera setup allows switching between wide-angle and downward views, making it useful for creative shots. Obstacle avoidance improves safety, and the drone maintains stable flight even in light wind conditions. The large screen controller enhances visibility when flying outdoors. Pros: 8K dual camera setup, obstacle avoidance system, large screen remote, brushless motor performance, stable 4-axis flight. Cons: battery life could be longer. Camera stabilization is basic. The GT8 drone offers solid performance and flexibility, making it a good choice for casual aerial photography and fun flying. Number 4. GT50 Pro Drone, 8K HD camera with 360-degree flip. The GT50 Pro drone is a compact quadcopter featuring an 8K HD camera, GPS positioning, 360-degree flip mode, and a 4.3-inch remote display. It's marketed as a fun and beginner-friendly drone. This drone focuses more on fun and ease of use rather than professional filming. The flip mode and stable hovering make it enjoyable for new users and younger pilots. GPS helps with safe returns, and the drone performs well in open areas. Pros: 8K HD camera, GPS positioning, 360-degree flip feature, compact and lightweight, easy controls. Cons: limited advanced flight modes, not ideal for windy conditions. The GT50 is a great entry-level GPS drone for beginners and gift buyers. Number 5. K19MAX Foldable GPS Drone with dual camera. Finally, we have the K19MAX, a foldable drone with dual cameras, GPS navigation, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance. It also features a large screen remote controller, making it beginner-friendly. The K19MAX delivers reliable performance for its price range. GPS-assisted flight keeps it stable, and the dual camera system adds flexibility for different shooting angles. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. Pros: foldable and portable design, GPS positioning, dual camera system, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance. Cons: camera quality is average. App features are limited. The K19MAX is a solid budget GPS drone for hobbyists who want good features at a low cost. So, that's our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Each drone on this list offers great value depending on your needs, whether it's camera quality, GPS stability, obstacle avoidance, or beginner-friendly controls. If you're looking for the best overall features, the AE5G Max stands out. For ease of use, the K19MAX is a great choice. And for budget-friendly fun, the GT50 Pro and K19MAX won't disappoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.